In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive sign-in issue 0x8004e4be in Windows 11. Let's start by resetting the OneDrive sync client. First, we need to open OneDrive and confirm the sign-in issue is happening. Click Start on the Windows taskbar, then type OneDrive into the search bar. Under Best Match in the Start menu, click OneDrive to launch it. If the 0x8004e4be error message appears on screen, click the X in the top right corner of the error window to close it out. Now we'll run the official OneDrive reset command. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the field, type %local app data %, then \Microsoft, \OneDrive, \ondrive.exe, /reset. Once that's typed, click OK in the Run dialog. Give it a moment and wait for OneDrive to close and reset itself in the background. If Windows tells you it cannot find the command, press the Windows key plus R again to bring back the Run dialog. This time type /program files, \Microsoft OneDrive, \ondrive.x/, ondrive.exe, /reset. Click OK in the Run dialog to run that version of the command. If OneDrive does not reopen automatically after the reset finishes, click Start on the Windows taskbar. Type OneDrive, and then click OneDrive under Best Match in the Start menu. This takes a moment to load, so we'll skip ahead. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, let's try the OneDrive sign-in again. On the Setup OneDrive screen, click the email address field to activate it. Carefully type in the email address for your test Microsoft account. Once that's entered, click Sign In on the OneDrive setup window. On the next screen, enter your password into the password field. After your password is in, click Sign In on the password screen. If OneDrive asks you to confirm the folder location, click Next in the OneDrive setup window to keep the default OneDrive folder. Stop here once. OneDrive accepts the account and either opens the OneDrive folder or reaches the normal setup confirmation screen. Now let's clear stale OneDrive credentials. We'll do this by opening Windows Credential Manager. Click Start on the Windows taskbar, then type Credential Manager into the search field. Under Best Match in the Start menu, click Credential Manager to open it. Inside the Credential Manager window, click Windows Credentials at the top. Now remove the cached OneDrive sign-in entries. Scroll down to the Generic Credentials section. Click the arrow beside the entry labeled Microsoft OneDrive Generic Data, Personal Vault to expand it. Then click Remove underneath that credential, and click Yes in the confirmation dialog that appears. Next, find the entry labeled Microsoft Account, user equals, followed by the Microsoft account you are fixing. Click the arrow beside that Microsoft account entry to expand it. Click Remove and then click Yes in the confirmation dialog. Leave unrelated entries such as Driver FS, Evernote, Adobe, and Virtual App completely unchanged. Also leave SSO_pop_device and SSO_pop_user unchanged unless OneDrive still fails after this fix. Once that's done, click the X in the top right corner of Credential Manager to close it. Now we'll reopen OneDrive and sign in with fresh credentials. Click Start on the Windows taskbar, type OneDrive, and then click OneDrive under Best Match in the Start menu. On the Setup OneDrive screen, click the email address field. Type in the email address for your test Microsoft account once again. Click Sign In on the OneDrive setup window. Enter your password on the next screen, then click Sign In on the password screen. Stop when OneDrive accepts the account and opens the OneDrive folder or reaches the normal setup confirmation screen. OneDrive should now accept the Microsoft account without showing error 0x8004e4be again. The success screen is either the OneDrive folder opening in File Explorer, the OneDrive setup confirmation screen, or the OneDrive cloud icon returning to a normal signed-in sync state in the taskbar notification area. Congratulations, you've successfully resolved the OneDrive sign-in issue.